Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day 3 of my low-iodine diet, and for breakfast it's a banana. Same with my shirt here, it's so funny. Anyway, so I'm just gonna have one banana, and I find that bananas are actually very filling. They actually deter hunger, so this one's gonna be good enough for me. Alright, so for lunch I just cut up this Liempo into smaller pieces. Marinated it with balsamic vinegar, non-iodized salt, and some ground pepper. Now that I am cooking my Liempo, I am just going to prepare my eggplants for the air fryer. Once my Liempo is almost done, I put my balsamic vinegar and honey glaze on it. So yum! So I seasoned my air fryer eggplant with just salt and pepper. Gonna pair this with my balsamic honey Liempo, and of course white rice. Okay, these look so good together. I can't wait to have a bite. Eggplant and Liempo with white rice. Taste test. Yum. Oh my goodness, that tastes so good, especially the Liempo. 2 thumbs up, guys. Good job, me. So I decided to have an apple again for dessert. I have a PT this afternoon, so I'm just gonna fill up my tummy. So before we got back home, I bought this cantaloupe melon in the market. I hope this ripens up tomorrow or the day after. So for dinner, I have here my pork cuts, some sliced potatoes and carrots, some sliced tomatoes, garlic, onions, and of course my liquid organic pure tomato unsalted. I am making Afritada for dinner, and it's simmering away. I'm gonna season this with non-iodized salt and black peppercorns. I also added a bit of chili flakes for some spice, and here is the final product. I actually forgot about it a little. That's why it's a bit dry, but it actually tastes good. The potatoes and carrots were cooked well, the meat is tender, so this is going to be dinner served with rice, of course. Okay, so I'm excited to have a taste test for this. Gonna grab some rice, some meat, and some potatoes. Oops. Careful, it's hot. And yum! Oh my goodness, this is so tasty. It's a thumbs up for me. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more low iodine diet videos.